welcome back to my channel TravellingSoulsTale. Today's video is about how to make creamy chicken pasta recipe at home and without cream. Here I have taken 5 to 6 cups of water for boiling, and I have added 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of olive oil and mix that well. Now I have taken 2 cups of pasta, which means 200 gram of pasta, and I am going to add it to this boiling water and mix it well. Let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, check the pasta whether it is cooked. Try to cut the pasta with spoon. If it is soft and cooked, it will cut into pieces like this easily. It is the perfect time to remove pasta from the heat. Use the same pan, pour 2 to 3 spoons of oil and add a cup of onions and saute it until it is light brown. And add a cup of chicken pieces and cook it well. Add a spoon of pepper to it and cook well and keep it aside. To the same pan, add 2 spoons of butter and 2 spoons of wheat flour and mix it well. You can use non-sticky pan as well to avoid the burning bottom of the pan. Now add a small cup of milk and mix it continuously so that it won't form any lumps. It should be in this consistency. Now add a spoon of pepper powder and oregano powder and a pinch of salt to it. Let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add onion chicken and mix it well. Then finally add pasta to the white sauce and mix it well and cook the pasta in white sauce for about 5 minutes. Now creamy chicken pasta is ready to serve. If you want, you can add mozzarella cheese to it to make it more creamy. I hope you liked today's video. See you in my next video. Take care, bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notification if I post new videos. Bye bye.